In this video, you will learn how to properly install your new Goodyear Ultra Beam wiper blade on 17mm and 22mm side lock wiper arms. For this installation, you will need the D adapter located inside your wiper package. Step 1. To remove the base adapter, press down on the front end of the adapter. Use your thumb to lift the back end of the adapter up until it is disengaged. Step 2. To install, bring the adapter up to the wiper blade. On the side of the base holder with the arrow on it, at an angle, insert the rod of the adapter into the first hole of the base holder. Push all the way through until completely flush. Bring the rest of the adapter down until it clicks. Step 3. Bring the wiper blade up to your wiper arm at an angle. Insert the metal rod of the wiper arm into the hole of the wiper blade. Push it all the way through until the wiper arm is completely flush with the wiper blade. Tilt the bottom half of the wiper back. For the 17mm arm, the prong on the wiper arm should fit perfectly into the slot of the adapter. For the 22mm arm, the prong on the wiper arm will sit outside of the adapter. Step 4. Remove the squeegee protector and gently bring the wiper blade onto your windshield to complete the installation. Thank you for choosing Goodyear wiper blades. For further assistance, please visit our website, www.goodyearwiperblade.com.